Hi, my name is Elise Matthews. I will be performing research titled Tree Species Diversity of a Riparian Zone on a Converted Wetland Body, and I will be working with Professor Victoria Livingston. In this research, I will be looking at tree species diversity, specifically the richness and evenness in this riparian zone, which is located on a water system in west central Illinois. The water system involved consists of an inlet stream to a wetland which leads to a stream ending in a pond. This research will be conducted between spring and midsummer of 2021. Riparian zones are incredibly important environments. They maintain balance between aquatic and terrestrial ecosystems. They are home to a diverse array of species. They stabilize the land near water bodies, and these are just a few of the many positive impacts that they have on the environment. For my hypothesis, I have stated that if the riparian zone of the converted conservation land has transitioned to native species diversity, then the species richness and evenness will display a varied composition of mesic tree species. On this slide, I just have 3 images of the riparian zone and the wetland body that I will be performing my research on. For my methods, I will first implement a quadrat sampling method. With this, I will break up the riparian zone into evenly spaced plots from which I will collect my data. This will allow for an estimation of the total diversity in the riparian zone without requiring me to look at every tree. In each plot, I will measure the DBH, or the diameter breast height, of the trees. I will only record information for the trees with a DBH of 4 inches or more, however. For those trees, I will record the DBH, coordinate location, and the species of each. With my collected data, I will create a tree survey of the tree species diversity. This will be used to evaluate the diversity in the riparian zone itself. For my anticipated results, I would expect for the species present in this location to consist mostly of water-tolerant mesic trees, such as those from the genera Acer, Betula, and Fraxinus, and below I have images of these 3. On the left, I have an Acer saccharinum, which is silver maple. In the middle, I have a Betula nigra, which is river birch, and on the right, I have a Fraxinus americana, which is white ash. And all 3 of these trees are species that are common in central Illinois and are mesic trees that are quite water tolerant and often found in floodplains and riparian zones. This research will be important because it will show the effectiveness of the conservation and restoration practices that have been implemented on this land. The owner of the land began restoring it about 16 years ago after she purchased it. We want to see if the tree species present represent a native diversity and are those expected in a riparian zone in central Illinois. Thank you.